Hello everybody, we're glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can see who follows you on Twitch. So, to begin with, open up the desktop version of twitch.tv website. Well, by default, your device obviously will provide you with a mobile version, so in your browser settings, make it so that the desktop version will be requested. Upon doing so, log into the Twitch. Then tap on your profile at the top right corner, go for the creator dashboard, then open up the navigation menu, then open up the community section, and tap on the followers list. And at the following page, you'll be able to see the list of people who follows your channel. Alrighty, so that would be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.